What would you feel like if you were earning money online by just reading emails, or basically having thousands of dollars every single day just with simple websites? And the best part about this is works worldwide, and all you have to have is a mobile phone, and that's all about it. So step one is you gotta go to the website that I'm going to show you in just a second, and step two is if you have a mobile phone or a computer, and step three is all you have to do is just get paid and read those sweet emails and start getting paid. As simple as that. And in this video we're going to be showing you how you can make money easy stuff. Now without further ado, we're gonna go back into the video right now, but before that, make sure to subscribe and turn the notification on, because in this channel we show you how to make money online and how to grow passive income online right from your computer. And without further ado, we are gonna go back into the video right now. But make sure, if you guys are looking to make full-time income online, I have my links down in the description. It is my number one recommendation on how to make full-time income online. And we are here, and so the website we're gonna go to, it's called Paid to Read. This is the website that we need to go to. But before we even show you that, make sure to guys, if you guys have either Gmail account or a Yahoo account or a Hotmail account, doesn't matter anyone, but I assume that most of you guys have a Gmail account. Now if you guys don't, all you have to do is create one. Make sure if you guys also need to have a PayPal account so you get paid every single day. Now the website that we need to go to, it's Paid to Reach, and this is a website that will literally pay you to read emails. And my inbox pays, that's their slogan. And this is the home page that you're gonna see, where you need to sign up, and you enter either female or a male, and you enter your first name, your primary email, and then your password. That's all about it. Now how it works, so first of all, you're gonna sign up, and then you're gonna read emails, and then you're gonna get paid. It is only 3 simple steps that very effective, and that's all about it. Sign up, read emails, and get paid. And now here's they saying why you need to join, basically because you're gonna receive daily emails, and you're gonna also get quick payments processing within 24 hours, and you're gonna also get low $15 payout limits. And also whenever you join, you're gonna get $3 instant bonus, and you're gonna also take daily paid surveys. You're gonna earn between 50 cents to $1. And also there's a 2 level of referring your friends, which is a referral system they have. Now that's all about it, and we are gonna show you how you can do this. Now once you sign up, you're gonna come into this page where you're gonna also have your $3 that you're gonna get for the bonus. And as I said, 3 bonus has been credited to your account. Remember to ensure that you receive all emails from us, so you need to whitelist them. Now once you sign up, you're gonna whitelist that so that you get their emails every single time, and so that it doesn't go to the spam. Now, and then here's the free ways to reward for your online activities. Now there's 3 steps. There's cash surveys, which is you're gonna get 50 cents to $1, which is called your opinions. And then there's cash offers, and there's also points, and then there's paid emails. Now first thing what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on the first one so that we can explain the details they have. All right, now once you see that there's earned 35 cents to $1 for every completed service. Now this is a level, so this one is unlimited, that there's no any limits, so you can do this like more than millions of times. And the other one is also opinion service, is unlimited. But first thing what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna do this, and then there's limit of 10 per day. All right, once you do that, and then you are able to get as unlimited for these 2, but it's not necessary, but you're gonna go first to this. All right, and then you're gonna do this like every single time with either one of them. Now these, whenever you click one of them, it will take you to this website that you are able, so it's an external website that you are able to do surveys, which is very simple surveys. Then you have to do all of these, and then for the second one, it will take you to opinion surveys, which is also unlimited. All right, now once you come to this page, here's your opinion, and you can also add your dates, your stuff, where your burn date, and all of that stuff. And then for this one, which is the 40 cents, it will take you to this page where there's only 10 limits for that. All right, So this is how it works. And basically, and if we go back for the emails, basically this is how we're gonna go back is this one. And you can see that there's also, this is the one that we are gonna be interested in. It's the paid emails. You're gonna receive paid emails, and you can also basically read them. And to show you what it looks like, so this is one of them. As you can see, I've received one of them, all right, basically 9 minutes ago. And you can see this is an ad. So all you have to do is basically click on this one, and then once you click, now there's a new trick that I'm going to show you how you can do this. Since you are visiting the website from here, all you have to do is you're going to scroll down until the bottom. All right, you don't have to be fast, but you can scroll down, and then you're going to scroll up again, and then you're going to wait for 30 seconds. All right, once you wait for 30 seconds, that's all you have to do. And then you're gonna come back to the website again, and then once you come back, you're gonna basically send an activation code if you have an activation code with a problem. And that's pretty much it. This is very simple to do. All right, now I've set up a new account, so I have to activate the account, and we're gonna do it right now. And basically once you do that, and then you are good to go. This is my email, and I'm activating it, and we are good to go. All right, so the account is now activated, and then we're gonna click paid email again, and you can see so you're gonna get a paid email rate. So there's until 10 cents. So the higher you paid email rate it, the faster you guaranteed paid email will become equal to 0. All right, so you can rinse and repeat that, and you can play with these numbers to get the best thing. All right, so for example, we're gonna go with 0.08, and then we're gonna click save changes. All right, and then you're gonna ask you for basically that's all about it. And then you're gonna come in here if you guys want to do more stuff, because if relying on only the emails, it's not gonna make you rich. But so you can do, like, from all of these, there's many surveys that you can do, and let's just do one from these surveys that we were doing earlier. Now we're gonna do this and add our birthday, and pretty much, and then we're gonna click next. All right, just gonna add it in just fast, and then we're gonna click save. All right, and once we click save, then they're gonna ask us the country and language, and then we click next, and then we are basically gonna have to do this survey. But we don't have time for this because our time is running, and so that you guys don't get bored from this. And basically that's pretty much. I hope you guys understand the concept of this. Is you're just gonna get paid to read, and also there's a bunch of other stuffs, like there's surveys, there's cash offers, which I haven't shown you. I'm just gonna show you that right now. And like you can do from your survey opinion, and then the data. All right, and you can also come back to the homepage, and you can also view the earn points, which you can earn points for this. And you can you can see it from. So basically this one has no surveys, because they said there's limited service for these. And you can come to in here, so you can just play around with them, and you can increase your points for every single time that you read something, or maybe you add your surveys, like your name, your email, and all of that good stuff. And this is how you can get paid, and this is how easily you can reach your goal. And basically you can start from here. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure, if you guys enjoyed this video, to subscribe and turn the notification on. Also, if you guys looking to make full-time income online, I have my recommendation down in the description, and go ahead and click it. That's how I started when I started online marketing and online business, and that's the link that I started with. So make sure to click that link so that you get more information about this. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.